A very good morning, dear students, once again. Today we are going to start a new topic that is called mode. Okay, mode. So, what is mode? Mode means what? Mode means the most frequent occurring occurring variate is your mode. Okay, mode means the among the variables, which variables is occurring most of the time, that is mode. Okay, for example, they have given one question where they have given variables, okay, variates like 10, 14, 16, 17 and 10. So from this particular series of variables, so this one is called variate, this one is called variate, this one is also called variate. Okay, so among them, which variate is occurring most of the time, you have to see. Okay, so solution is like this. Calculation of mode. First you have to draw a small table. You have to write x and this f. Okay, just copy variates 10, 14, 16, 17. Okay, again 10 is coming, so I have not written there. So 10 is occurring two times, you can see 1, 2. 14 is occurring one time, 16 is occurring one time, 17 is occurring one time. Okay, so your mode is 10 here, 10 marks, because 10 is occurring two times and rest of the variates are occurring only one time. Okay, got it? Another question, calculate mode from the data. Okay, marks 10, 14, 24, 27. Okay, 27, again 24, 12, 11 and 17. So from these marks you have to find mode. Okay, so solution, calculation of mode. Okay, what you have to do is simply you have to prepare a table and you have to write 10 x is equal to nf. 10, you have to write in ascending order. Okay, 11, okay, 12, 14, 17, 24 and 27. Okay, whatever variate they have given. 10 is occurring one time, 11 is occurring one time, 12 is occurring what, one time, you can see from here. Okay, 14 is occurring one time, 17 is occurring one time, 24 is occurring two times, you can see. So 2, 27 one time. So you can see which one is mode, which one is mode, the variate which occur maximum times, which occurring maximum times, 24. Very true, you are right. So mode is equal to 24 marks. Okay, mode is equal to 24 marks is your mode. Okay, so let us continue with another question. Find mode of the following. Okay, find mode of the following. So they have given marks obtained. Marks obtained. Marks are 24. Okay, this look very blurred, no? "24, 14, 20, 17, 20 and 40. So from these particular marks we have to find what? Mode. Okay, so what you are going? Solution, calculation of mode. Calculation of what? Mode. So I'm preparing table. I'm writing from ascending. So 14 is the smallest one, then 17, okay, then 20, then 24. Okay, so 14 is occurring 2 times, you can see. 17 is occurring 1 time, 20 is occurring 2 times, and 24 is occurring 1 time. Okay, so which one is more? You can see 20 is occurring 2 times and 14 is occurring 2 times. So there is no specific mode here because two variates are occurring simultaneously in the same way, two times. Okay, so there is no specific mode, there is no specific variate which is occurring what most of the time, right? So here you can write mode is equal to ill-defined. Okay, mode is ill-defined here. Okay, now let us do some another questions. Okay, so when the question is from now class boundaries. Okay, now you are asked to find not from individual series but with frequency, and that is to from class boundaries and all. Okay, class boundaries and with values, then which formula you are going to apply. Then this particular formula you are going to apply for that. Okay, this particular formula you are going to apply. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. This is the formula. Whenever they give what? Frequency and your variables. Variables are in what? Class boundaries. Okay, so what are they? L is equal to lower class boundaries of the model class. See, we'll be calculating model class later on. From that you have to see L is equal to lower class boundary. Suppose our model class is 30 to 40, then lower class boundaries is this. Okay, I'm just supposing 30 is your what? 30 will be your lower class boundary. Okay, 30 will be your lower class boundary. Got it? Then see what is your F1. F1 means frequency of the model class. Okay, whenever we find model class, so the particular frequency of that particular model class will be frequency F1. So F2 will be frequency of the class preceding the model class. You will be understanding these particular things while solving questions. Okay, don't worry. So F0 is equal to frequency of the class preceding model class. Model class अलि अगाडि आउने frequency. F2 is equal to frequency of class succeeding to the model class. Model class को frequency जुन चाहिँ छ त्यसको अलिक मोनिकल अब पछाडि आउनेलाई चाहिँ त्यो भन्छ F2. I means size of the class interval of the model class. That class what we call, that is called class interval को difference, है, common factor. I is equal to common factor. Okay, so I is equal to common factor. Okay, so in that way you have to find out all the necessary items. L1 sorry L, then F1 F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. You have to find out all these things and you can put in the formula. In that way you can easily solve this problem. Okay, so problem is given in example. See, calculate mode from the following data. See, calculate mode from the following data. So they have given marks and number of students. Marks and number of students. Above 10, 59. Above 20, 54. Above 30, 46. Right? Above 40, 34. Likewise, above 50, 18. Above 60, 8. Above 70, 0. So you are asked to find mode here. Calculate mode of the following. Since you are asked to find mode from the following, they have given F, frequency, and they have given this particular thing, marks. Now what you have to do is, first thing is you have to write solution, then now you have to convert this on these things, okay, into class boundaries. Marks into class boundaries. They have written above 10, 59, okay, above 20, 54. These things you have to convert into class boundaries. Okay, see, they have written here marks and number of students. So first you have to write 10 to 20. Okay, 20 to 30, like this. 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. You have to change this. Okay, in the 10 distance you have to change this. Then number of students, how much? So above 10 is equal to 59. Above 10 चाहिँ 59 छ अरे हेर्नु, तर above 20 चाहिँ छ 54 जना स्टुडेन्ट. जब above 20 चाहिँ 54 छ भने है, above 10 चाहिँ 59 थियो, तर हामीले चाहिँ अब कहाँ चाहिँ above 10 चाहिँ कतिसम्म चाहिँ 70 सम्म चाहिँ 59 थियो, र above 20 चाहिँ 54 भयो. यहाँ above 20 चाहिँ 54 भयो भने चाहिँ 10 देखि 20 सम्म मात्रै चाहिँ कति हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 10 देखि 20 सम्म मात्रै चाहिँ कति हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 54 घटाउनु पर्छ. 59 मा 54 घटाउँदाखेरि कति रहन्छ? 54 घटाउँदा कति रहन्छ? 5 रहन्छ. त्यो चाहिँ तपाईको मार्क्समा हो. The 10 to 20 students चाहिँ कति रहेछ? 5 मात्रै रहेछ यहाँ. Okay, have you understood this? No? Okay, I'll try once again. Okay, I'll try once again to make you understand. Okay, so calculate mode from the following data. Mode निकाल भन्दैछ. मार्क्स दिएको छ, नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स एउटै क्वेसन हो. ओके, नम्बर मार्क्स चाहिँ तपाईको क्लास बाउन्ड्रिजमा दिएको छैन. वेन एभर यु आर गोइङ टु फाइन्ड मोड, यु हेभ टु चेन्ज दिस मार्क्स इन्टु क्लास बाउन्ड्रिज. होइन, क्लास बाउन्ड्री 10 to 20 हो, त्यस्तो क्लास बाउन्ड्रीमा चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ. त्यति बेला चाहिँ अब एबोभ 10 स्टुडेन्ट चाहिँ तपाईँको छ रहेछ. एबोभ 10 स्टुडेन्ट चाहिँ थुप्रो छ. हेर, एबोभ 10 स्टुडेन्ट कति छ? 59 जना छ. तर एबोभ 10 भन्नुको मतलब नै चाहिँ 10 देखि बेसी, सबै 10 देखि बेसी चाहिँ के भन्थ्यो, एबोभ 10 मार्क्स ल्याउने, 70 सम्म ल्याउने भनेको. एबोभ 10 देखि अप टु 70 सम्म 59 जना. एबोभ 20 ल्याउने क्लासमा, एबोभ 20 ल्याउने 54 जना छ. एबोभ 30 ल्याउने 46 जना छ. तर हामीलाई चाहिँ अब एबोभ 10देखि माथि कहाँसम्म हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ 59 छ। तर अहिले चाहिँ हामीले चेन्ज गरेर क्लास बाउन्ड्री गर्दा चाहिँ अब एबोभ 10देखि 20सम्म मात्रै बनाउनुपर्छ। फेरि अघि चाहिँ एबोभ 10देखि एबोभ 10देखि माथि जहाँसम्म छ त्यो चाहिँ 59 छ। तर हामीले चेन्ज गरेर क्लास बाउन्ड्री गरेर चाहिँ 10देखि 20सम्म मात्रै चाहिँ कति छ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सिन्स 20देखि माथि चाहिँ 54 रहेछ है। यो त 59 त 20देखि 10देखि माथि हो, 20देखि माथि 54 छ होइन। सो 54देखि 20देखि उँभो त 54 रहेछ भनेपछि 54देखि उँधो 59सम्म चाहिँ कति डिफ्रेन्स हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ 10 to 20 हुन्छ। ओके, सो 59 माइनस 54, 54देखि उँभो त सबै अब एबोभ 20 भइहाल्यो। हामीले त 10देखि 20 मात्रै चाहियो, गर्दाखेरि 5 रहन्छ। 5जनाले चाहिँ तपाईँको कति ल्याएको रहेछ मार्क्स बिट्विन 10 to 20 ल्याएको रहेछ। ओके, लाइकवाइज 20 to 30 अब 20 to 30 कति छ त्यो निकाल्नुपर्छ। ओके, 20 to 30 ओके 20 to 30 मा चाहिँ कति ल्याएछ भन्दाखेरि सी 30देखि एबोभ त 46 भइहाल्यो होइन। 46 चाहिँ 30देखि एबोभ छ भनेपछि हामीलाई चाहिँ खालि कति चाहियो 20 to 30 होइन। सो 54 रहेको छ, 54 माइनस 46 गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यहाँ रहन्छ कति हुन्छ 8 मात्रै रहन्छ नि। सो 8 ओके 8 इज 20 to 30 ओके। देन 30 to 40 पनि गर्नु पऱ्यो, 30 to 40 40देखि मार्क्स उँभो ल्याउने यति छ, त्यसमा 46देखि घटाउनुपर्छ 12 आउँछ। त्यसो गर्दा गर्दा यु हेभ टु चेन्ज दिस थिङ्स इन्टु वाट, दिस थिङ्स इन्टु क्लास बाउन्ड्रिज एन्ड यु हेभ टु चेन्ज द क्युमुलेटिभ फ्रिक्वेन्सीमा दिएको हुन्छ। यो चाहिँ लास्टको एन हो। इफ यु कन्सन्ट्रेट एन्ड स्पेसिफिकली सी एन लास्टको नम्बर यो बढ्दै क्युमुलेटिभ छ, यसलाई चाहिँ क्युमुलेटिभ नगरेर फ्रिक्वेन्सीमा चेन्ज गरेको हामीले। ओके, क्वेसनमा चाहिँ क्युमुलेटिभमा दिएको छ। ओके, गट इट। नाउ सिन्स यु हेभ चेन्ज दिस थिङ, ओके you have changed this thing into class boundaries. Now you have to see which one is mode or which one is model class. अब यो मार्क्स भित्रमा चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ एक्ज्याक्ट चाहिँ मोड हो त सेन्टर फिगर कुन चाहिँ हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अहिले मोड एक्ज्याक्ट देखाउन सकिँदैन, तर क्लास मोडल क्लास चाहिँ देखाउन सकिन्छ। मोडल क्लास अब यो चाहिँ मोडल क्लास हो, क्लास बाउन्ड्रिज। मोड चाहिँ एउटा फिगर मात्रै हुन्छ र नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट हेर्दा सबसे बेसी कुनमा छ भन्दा यो हेर 16 चाहिँ सबसे हाइएस्ट आउँदैछ यहाँ। ओके, 16 इज कमिङ, सबसे हाइएस्ट आउँदैछ। सो यसमा चाहिँ तपाईँको मोड बस्छ, मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेन्ट एन्ड अकरिङ फ्रिक्वेन्सी चाहिँ 16 छ भनेपछि यसको सिधा चाहिँ 40 to 50 छ। यो 40 to 50 को बिचमा भित्र चाहिँ मोडल हाम्रो मोड छ 40 to 50। यो चाहिँ मोडल क्लास मात्रै भयो, तर हामीले चाहिँ मोड निकाल्नु पर्ने चाहिँ मोड चाहिँ कहाँ छ त भन्दाखेरि 10 to 70 भित्रमा चाहिँ हामीले 40 to 50 भित्र चाहिँ पक्का मोड छ। अब बिचको भाग चाहिँ मोड चाहिँ एभरेज चाहिँ 40 to 50 को भित्र छ, एउटा फिगर चाहिँ छ तर यो भित्रमै छ भनेको। सो दे हेभ रिटन हियर ओके मोड इज इक्वल टु द मोडल क्लास इज 40 to 50 since the maximum frequency is 16. Okay, since the maximum frequency here is 16. Okay, so you got the modal class now 40 to 50 and frequency is 16. Okay, so now you can put in formula. So what is our formula? Mode is equal to what? L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I है। L is equal to के भनेको थिएँ मैले यहाँ you can see lower class boundaries of model class। जुन चाहिँ म मोडल क्लास बस्छ सी यसमा यसको लोअर लिमिट इज 40। ओके 40 is our lower limit, so L is equal to 40 here. Okay, L is equal to 40 here. Then F1 भनेपछि के हो भन्दा चाहिँ फ्रिक्वेन्सी अफ द मोडल क्लास, फ्रिक्वेन्सी अफ मोडल क्लास 16 हैन मोडल क्लास बस्ने फ्रिक्वेन्सी ओके देन व्हाट इज f0 f0 के भनेको थियो फ्रिक्वेन्सी अफ द क्लास प्रिसिडिङ दि मोडल क्लास भन्दाखेरि अलिक अगाडि आउने फ्रिक्वेन्सी 12 अलिक अगाडि आउँदैछ यो भन्दा अगाडि ओके देन यो f2 भनेको चाहिँ के हो भन्दा चाहिँ f2 भनेको के हो फ्रिक्वेन्सी अफ द क्लास सक्सिडिङ दि मोडल क्लास यो मोड 16 छ फ्रिक्वेन्सी त्यो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलिक पछाडि आउने फ्रिक्वेन्सी यो 10 चाहिँ फ्रिक्वेन्सी आउँदैछ नि त बादमा ओके यो मोडल क्लास यहाँ छ त्यो भन्दा अलिक बादमा 10 आउँदैछ सो दैट इज f2 ओके सो यु गट एभ्रिथिङ नाउ i इज इक्वल टु कमन फ्याक्टर कति छ भन्दा 10 को डिफरेन्स छ नि त सो i इज 10 okay you got everything no now you can put in simply mode is equal to okay mode is equal to what L1 is equal to 40 sorry L is equal to 40 plus F1 is equal to how much F1 is equal to 16 frequency minus F0 is equal to how much F0 is equal to 12 you can see here okay then divided by 2 into f1 is equal to how much f1 is equal to 16 2 into 16 32 here okay 32 then minus f0 is equal to 12 okay minus f2 is 10 okay so you can put all the figures and into I is equal to 10 so when you cut this it will come like this okay then ultimately it remains 40 plus 4 okay then lastly your modal class or mode will come like 44 okay 44 will be your mode okay so in this way you have to solve this is also very easy if you concentrate for some time you can easily understand this particular problem okay got it then next question is there okay find the mode of the following frequency distribution you have to find again you have to find mode okay class boundaries is given and frequencies now no need to convert any middle class into class boundaries since they have already given the question in your class boundaries and frequencies also given okay see so in class interval is given see class interval is given here okay class interval is given okay already frequency is also given 50 to 59 5 like this from this particular thing you have to find what mode okay you have to find what mode so directly you can do now no need to convert anything into class boundaries since all the things are given in class boundaries okay but one thing you have to remember here they have given a question in discrete series see 50 to 59 okay class boundary started from 50 to 59 there is a gap okay then it is start from 60 to 69 okay it is supposed to start from 59 only so 50 to 59 then 59 to 69 like that no but they have kept some gap here 50 to 59 then 60 to 69 then सानो gap राखेर 70 to 79 so there is a gap यस्तो gap छ भने चाहिँ यसलाई discrete series भन्छ continuous series भनिँदैन okay you have to convert this series into continuous series first okay continuous series बनाउँछ please remember this if 50 to 59 है यहाँ अलिकति discrete मा छ भने continuous series मा बनाउँछ here the class interval are in discrete form so they are to be converted into class boundaries or continuous series okay how are you going to do so solution class boundaries and frequencies okay यो ला अलिकति चेन्ज 50 लाई चाहिँ 49.5 बनाइदियो हैन to 59.5 बनाइदियो यसलाई 50लाई चाहिँ 49.5 र 59लाई चाहिँ 59.5 बनाइदियो, त्यसको फ्रिक्वेन्सी सेम रहन्छ। ओके, त्यसो गर्दा यसलाई पनि 59.5 to 69.5। ओके, लाइकवाइज 69.5 to 79.5 यस्तो गरेर चेन्ज गर्नु चाहिँ इट इज कन्भर्टिङ इन्टु कन्टिन्युस फ्रिक्वेन्सी। सी 59.5 to 49.5 to 59.5, then starting from 59.5 to 69.5, 69. So this is now continuous series. Okay, frequency is given. Okay, now you have to apply mode formula and you have to find mode. Okay, since you know the mode formula is this, now everything is there. Which one is your model class? सबसे highest this one. Okay, this one is model class. Okay, L1 is this. Okay, 79.5 lower limit. Okay, so F1 is this frequency. F0 is this, F2 is this. Now if you put all the figures like this, okay, into I is 10, you can easily find mode. So mode is this. Okay, mode is this. Okay, so this is how you have to find mode. Hope you understood this. If you don't understand, please tell me. Okay, so we have we have finished this thing, your center tendency. Now in my next class I will be starting your step deviation, no sorry, dispersion. Okay, dispersion chapter. Thank you very much.